Dear student, good morning. There are mainly three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So, we start first chapter solid, the substance which have definite volume and definite shape. So, if we distinguish between the solid and other states of matter for liquid and gas, so they have some features. First one, rigid and have definite shape and mass. Second one, it have definite volume. Third one, intermolecular distances in solid are short and intermolecular forces are strong. So due to lack of distance, the force are high comparison than liquid and gas. Student, the fourth characteristics are constituent particles, maybe atoms, ions or molecules of solids have fixed position and can only oscillate about their mean positions. Means there are no movements in the particles of solid state because they have no space and they have fixed joint, so they can oscillate when the external force, example temperature or electrical energy are given, but they have no movements. Fifth characteristics are almost incompressible. Means if we want to apply to the external pressure to compress the solid, they are not compressed. The sixth, density of solid is greater than that of liquid and gases. So in a part of density, the solid is highest comparison than liquid and gaseous states of matter. Seventh, solid diffuse very slowly as compared to liquid and gases. Comparison to other states of matter, liquid and gas, liquid diffuse very fast, but solid have very slow rate. Means they have lots of time to diffuse. If we divide or classify your solid, so solid have two types. First one, crystalline solid, and then amorphous solid. So crystalline solid, the substance whose constituent particles, means atoms, ions or molecules, are arranged in definite geometry pattern in three-dimensional space. They have long range order. Means crystalline solid in a fixed geometry they have seen. For example, in a metal copper, silver, non-metal sulfur, phosphorus, ionic compound sodium chloride, zinc sulfide. So the constituent particle have definite geometry. The second one types of a solids are amorphous solid, the substance whose constituent particles are not arranged in any regular arrangement. They have short range order. So student, amorphous solid is one of type of a solid in the constituent particle have no show their definite geometry, so the molecules are not on a fixed positions. For example, glass, rubber, plastic, coal, etc. they are considered as amorphous solid. So student, if we differentiate between a crystalline and amorphous solid, so they have some feature when we easily distinguish between them. First one, the characteristic geometry. Crystalline solids have definite regular geometry due to orderly arrangement of constituent, maybe atoms, ions or molecules, whereas amorphous solids do not have any geometric shape. For example, quartz is a form of silica, SiO2. So student, display you have seen the crystalline solid show regular pattern of particles A and B. For example, if the two particles are formed, so A, then B, then A, then B, means they have a long range order and a perfect geometry. But in an amorphous solid show irregular pattern of particles AB. For example, A, after A, the particle B's want to come, but A, then BB, and no regular pattern. So it's a characteristic geometry difference, is a major difference between a crystalline solid and a amorphous solid. The second one major difference is melting points. The crystalline solids have sharp melting points. Example, at fixed temperature solid convert into liquid state. Other hand, amorphous solid do not have fixed melting point. For example, glass is heated gradually, then it softens and starts to flow without undergoing a definite and abrupt change into liquid state. So student, glass is amorphous solid. They have no perfect melting points for melt, but comparison to any other crystalline solid, you have seen all the crystalline solid have a fixed melting point, boiling points. So student, it has been observed that on heating and the cooling slowly, this phenomenon is known as annealing. Some amorphous solids become crystalline at same temperature, and this is known as milkiness of glass is due to the fact that it undergoes heating during the day and cooling at night over a number of years. If we have seen the old glass materials building, so in a bottom line you have seen the whiteness, milkiness. So a glass show milkiness on their bottom, and this phenomenon is known as annealing. After regularly differentiate into temperature, means heat then cool, so amorphous solids have melt, but they are not melt in a perfect way. So this is a difference between crystalline solid and amorphous solid, because amorphous solid do not show a fixed melting point. The third major difference is isotropy and anisotropy. Crystalline solid which have physical property, example electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, mechanical strength, refractive index, etc., different in different direction, and this phenomena is known as anisotropy. But amorphous solids have a physical property same in all direction called isotropy. So this reason, because in a crystalline solid the particles are perfectly arranged. So if one direction they have show the one type of a physical property, and another direction they have show that another type of a physical property. For example, you have seen on the display an isotropy in crystalline solid in different direction A and B. So if we take the direction A, for example east direction, so the two particles, first one is a red big sphere and green is a small sphere. So these two constituent particles have different shape, so they also affect the physical property. In another direction B, all the red sphere means big atoms are arranged, so they have show another type of a physical property. But if we take the amorphous solid, because they are arranged in a similar type of a particles and not a long range order, so they are showing the isotropy, means same physical property in all directions. Student, fourth major difference is a cleavage property. Crystalline solids can be cleaved along definite planes when cut with a knife or sharp edge tool. They splits into two pieces, and the newly generated surfaces are plain and smooth, whereas amorphous solid cut with a sharp edge tool, they undergo irregular breakage and splits into two pieces with irregular surfaces. So there are two examples you have seen on the display. First one, a crystalline solid have cut into two smooth pieces. If we cut with a sharp edge tool, so the two pieces are so smooth, there are no crack in the two newly formed surfaces. But in an amorphous solid, if we cut with a sharp knife, so amorphous solids have cut into two rough pieces, means two newly generated surfaces have not a smooth surface, they have crack in it. So student, if we summarize of difference between crystalline solid and amorphous solid, so we can distinguish according to the property. First one, shape. Crystalline solid has definite characteristic shape, but amorphous solid show irregular shape. Second one, ordering arrangement of particle. Crystalline solid exhibit long range order, but amorphous solid show short range order. Third one, melting point. Crystalline solid sharp means fixed, but amorphous solid is not fixed. Cleavage property. New generated surface is smooth in crystalline solid, but in amorphous solid two pieces irregular surfaces. Fifth differentiate parameter, enthalpy of fusion, means crystalline solid fuse melt on a definite temperature, but amorphous solid they have not definite. 6. Directional physical property. crystalline solid show anisotropy and amorphous solid isotropy. And nature, crystalline solids are known as true solids, but amorphous solid known as pseudo solid, means false solid. And we take some example of crystalline solid. For example, metal, copper, iron, sodium chloride ionic compound, zinc sulfide, they are crystalline solid, they have perfect geometry. An amorphous solid example, for example, glass, rubber, plastic, they are show the short range order, they are amorphous solid. So student, thank you very much.